In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to reserve a study room in the library. First, from the library homepage in TechLink, locate the Reserve a Study Room button and click on it. You will be brought to a landing page that contains numerous options for you to select, such as the date and time for your reservation, as well as your study room of preference. To make a selection, choose a green block associated with the time and room that you wish to book. The system will automatically reserve a room for 2 hours, but if you would like less time, you can select your time preference from the drop-down menu located here. Once you have selected all of your preferences, click the Submit Times button. If you would like to make a change to your booking after clicking Submit Times, you can click the Change button located here. Next, review the policies for using a study room and then click Continue. A form will appear on screen where you will need to enter your full name and Forsyth Tech email address to complete your booking. Once you have entered your name and email address, check the box confirming that you have read and understand the study room policies and procedures, and then click the Submit My Booking button. Lastly, once you have booked your reservation, you will need to visit the library and check in at the front desk to use the study room.